Hello everyone, this is R.S. Miller at the endtimenews.org and today is September 16th, 2013. This is a breaking news report. Turkish fighter jet shoots down a Syrian helicopter. Turkish warplanes downed the Syrian helicopter on Monday after it violated Turkish airspace. Turkish Deputy Prime Minister Bülent Arınç said a Syrian plane was detected 2 kilometers, which is 1.2 miles, inside Turkish airspace at around 2:20 p.m. It was continuously warned by our air defense, but as the violation continued, it fell on Syrian soil, having been hit by missiles from our planes, he added, according to the statements carried by AFP. Turkey, one of Syrian President Bashar al-Assad's fiercest critics, has advocated military intervention in Syria and grown frustrated over what it sees as Western indecisiveness, according to the report. The Deputy Prime Minister said the initiative was taken by the Turkish armed forces to shoot down the Syrian helicopter was based on the rules of engagement with Syria. The country's rules of engagement changed after Syria shot down a Turkish plane in June of 2012. Turkish officials did not publicly announce details of the revised rules of engagement, but some reports claim Turkish forces would fire on any Syrian forces approaching within 5 kilometers of the Turkish border on the Syrian side. On September 8th, the British Royal Air Force based in Cyprus scrambled 2 Typhoon-class fighter jets to chase off Syrian ground attack aircraft that was headed for the Cyprus airspace. The scare also led Turkey to scrambling 2 F-16 fighter jets from its base in Incirlik after radar detected the suspicious flights, thought to be Russian-made Sukhoi Su-24s. Friends, we are living in the last days, and although no one knows the day or the hour, Jesus said that we would know when it is near, even at the doors. Are you saved? Follow the link in the box below and pray the prayer of salvation with a sincere heart, and you will be saved. May God bless you.